This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Sign in and open OneNote now, then navigate to the notebook and select the page you want to share. Once the page is open, click Share in the ribbon or the top right menu to start. Make sure the notebook is stored in OneDrive, otherwise sharing options won't appear. Next, choose whether you'll invite people by email or generate a link. We'll pick one path and adjust permissions in the next step so recipients have the right level of access. Now decide how to share. Generate a link or invite specific people. If you choose a link, pick anyone, people in organization, or specific people. Each controls who can open it. Then set permission to can view or can edit. Remember, can edit lets recipients change the page and sync changes back. If you invited people, enter their emails and add a message, then click Send. Once done, copy the link or confirm invitations were delivered. Finish by sending the link or hitting send on the invitation, then verify access. Open the link in an incognito window or ask a recipient to confirm they can view or edit. Make sure to check the page share settings to revoke access or change permissions later. If someone can't open the page, ensure the notebook lives in OneDrive and that you granted permission to their email. Make them sign in with the invited account. This is the most common fix if access fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.